In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Google Chrome redirecting. If Chrome keeps bouncing you to unwanted sites, pop-ups, or ads, these fixes will help you take back control without losing your bookmarks or saved passwords. First, block pop-ups and redirects at the browser level. Open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right, and go to Settings. Choose Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. Scroll down to Pop-ups and Redirects and select Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. This tells Chrome to quietly block most redirect behavior. If you want to jump straight there, type Chrome, Settings, Content, Pop-ups into the address bar and press Enter. If a trusted site truly needs pop-ups, you can add an exception later, but start with a strict block. Next, remove suspicious extensions, which are a common cause of hijacked tabs. Type Chrome extensions in the address bar. Review everything installed and remove anything you don't recognize or no longer use. Be especially cautious with coupon tools, video downloaders, search enhancer add-ons, and free VPN extensions from unknown developers. If you're unsure, you can first toggle an extension off to test, then remove it. When you're done, restart Chrome to apply the changes. Now stop notification spam that can trigger redirects. Go to Chrome/Settings/Contents Notifications. Under Allowed, remove any site you don't fully trust. Then turn on Don't allow sites to send notifications. This prevents sneaky prompts and stops sites from pushing ad tabs even when you're not actively browsing. Clear out bad site data that might be fueling the problem. Press Ctrl+Shift+Delete to open clear browsing data. Select cookies and other site data and cached images and files, then click Delete Data. Consider choosing all time for the time range. Note that clearing cookies can sign you out of some sites, but it's a powerful way to remove stored redirect scripts and corrupted cache. If redirects continue, reset Chrome settings. Open Chrome, Settings, Reset, and click Restore settings to their original defaults, then confirm. This disables all extensions and returns Chrome settings to a clean state without deleting your bookmarks or saved passwords. Afterward, re-enable only the extensions you trust one at a time to identify any culprit. Finally, scan for malware on your PC. Open Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, and run a full scan. You can also use trusted tools like Malwarebytes or Microsoft Defender. Let the scanner remove or quarantine anything it finds, restart your PC, and test Chrome again. Follow these steps in order, and your redirects should stop for good.